Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Toe, thumb plus arc. Toe, thumb, arc. Toe the mark. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car. As we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
All right. Thank you, Gene. Hi, folks, and welcome again to our program. The returning champion is the young man on my right. His name is David Oliver, and he has won $4,221 in prizes. And he's ready to go today. Feeling giddy at all?
I'm feeling a bit giddy still.
Still?
Uh-huh. Every time I get out here.
Are you known in your circle of friends as a fun-loving guy?
I'm known as a fun guy.
A fun guy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you the life of the party usually?
I wouldn't go that far.
You wouldn't go that far. Pretty close. All right. Good luck to you
Thank
today,
you very
David,
much.
against this challenger. Her name is Carrie Wynn. Welcome aboard, Carrie.
Thank you.
Good luck to you. Where are you from?
Big old town of Elko, Nevada.
Elko, Nevada. Elko, Nevada comes up in crossword puzzles a lot.
I wouldn't know.
Good letters. 4 good letters. You ready to take a look at one of the prizes?
I'm ready.
Check it out over here.
The Lloyd Loom Reflections in Wicker. Indoor, outdoor, cushion day shades. Versatility and comfort with dramatic appeal. The beauty of wicker, furnished by Lloyd Flanders. Alex.
Beautiful prize. That is great. Carrie and David, take a look. The day shades is at number 17. Also a vacation in New Orleans.
Ooh, nice. Great.
Mardi Gras.
Carrie,
Great.
you get to pick first.
Number 9, please.
Word processor.
Okay. How about number 16 for the match?
Vanity set.
Darn.
No match. David.
Number 1.
Green tape.
Green take. And number 25.
Vanity set. No match there. Carrie.
Okay. How about the vanity set at number 16, please? And 25 for the match.
Just like that, the newcomer makes the match. On the lower part of the puzzle, don't know yet what that will reveal, so why don't we open the doors and see? Woohoo.
Looks like it could hurt.
Doesn't it? Looks mean. Pick again, Carrie.
Okay. How about number 7, please?
Ping pong set.
Ping pong. Okay.
Also known as table tennis, you see.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Thank you. How about number 3 for the match?
Telescope. David.
That telescope can go with my binoculars.
Yeah, you've got those high-powered binoculars.
Yes, I do. Number 5.
State-of-the-art stuff. Party in
Party
New
in
Orleans.
New Orleans.
And David, as we've just discovered, is a party animal.
Oh. Number 23.
Mr. Fun.
Yes!
Party in New Orleans for Mr. Fun.
I like that.
Have you ever been to New Orleans?
I've been once, but I was
For
too
Mardi
young
Gras?
to appreciate it. No.
No?
No, but I am going to Mardi Gras.
Still too young to appreciate it.
You're right.
Let's open these 2 panels here before this show gets out of hand. My hand. Select again, D.
Number 21.
Word processor.
Word processor in the match under number 22.
No, but it's a wild card.
All right.
Oddly enough, we have seen the word processors on the right side of the board. We saw it there a few moments ago. Let's open that door at number 9, and we will now reveal 3 pieces of the puzzle behind these panels. Try it again.
Number 2.
Wild card again.
Lucky devil him?
Isn't he lucky?
Yes.
But that's all right. He manages to win the game, so he's not just lucky.
Number 8.
Diamond pin.
Okay. I think Mom will like that.
The other diamond pin on the board at number 18. So once again, 3 panels are going to swing open for David Oliver. Select again.
Number 14.
Green take?
And number 19.
No, red take. Green and red do not mix or match.
Let's see. How about number 6, please?
Day
Oh,
shades.
and was that under number 17?
The day shades was
all
indeed
right.
under number 17. Let's take a look now.
I'm going to solve the puzzle. Is it naughty but nice?
Naughty but nice. And she is right. Boy, just like that. Carrie's a giant killer.
Right.
Fast Carrie. Let's go to the board.
Okay, we have the not plus the T, naughty, but the N plus the ice, nice. Naughty but nice.
Stephen King must have been writing about you. Telekinesis and all your other powers and clairvoyance. Nicely done, David. Bad news, you've got 2 strikes, but you're going away with some good prizes, over $4,000 worth. So congratulations to you.
Okay,
You're
thank you
a great
very much.
player.
Had a great
It's
time.
fun having you here. Take care. Come on, David. Gary, you won that beautiful day chaise, and more important, you get to play for a brand new car right after these commercials. David Oliver may have been a fun guy, but look at the beautiful smile on Carrie Wynn. She defeated him. She's going to play for a brand new car. She's feeling pretty good. What do you do up there in Elko?
I am a mother of 2, the most important job in the world.
You bet. How old are these 2?
4 and 2.
Come here, boy, girl,
2 girls, beautiful girls.
4-year-old girl and a 2-year-old girl. Oh, that's got to be so much fun. Is it easy?
Oh, never.
Never with kids that age?
Never.
All right, well
Lots
then-
of fun, but never easy.
This is easy and it's fun.
True.
Here are the 15 numbered squares. You're dealing with base time on the clock, 35 seconds, but as you know, if you've watched our program, we've had champions win cars in 26 seconds.
Oh my gosh.
Could happen to you. Good luck. Off you go, Carrie.
1, 2,
No,
4, 5,
no,
7, 8,
no,
4, 8,
yes,
10, 11,
no,
2, 10,
no,
1, 10.
no,
Okay, 13, 14,
no,
3, 10,
no,
3, 7,
no,
7, 14,
yes,
6, 10,
no,
6, 13,
yes,
9, 5,
no.
12, 1.
I said it was fun.
It was. It was great.
Good. You were going so fast. I was amazed that you were able to make the matches you did, but that's okay. You've got $1,500 in prizes. You're going on to play again. You're going to play in at least 2 more games because you have no strikes against you. Break time prize. Well, Carrie, our newcomer on the program today, has had a marvelous time. She's won a game. She's had 1 session in the winner's circle, and now we welcome another newcomer, this young man on my right. His name is Waylon McAnally. Welcome aboard, Waylon.
That's me.
Now, where are you from?
Dallas, Texas originally, and I'm a student and I wait tables part-time to get me through school.
Now, what are you studying?
Psychology.
How about that? Where?
University of North Texas in Denton, Texas, a thriving metropolis.
I see. So you are just visiting Southern California,
Parents live out here and I'm here.
and you decided to take a shot at classic concentration.
The only
for
little
you.
ones.
All right. Anybody else in the family living out here? Any brothers or sisters?
No, just mom and pop. Mom's in the audience.
Oh, great. So you have a rooting section all your own. She wants you to win some great prizes, and if you play it right, you could wind up with this prize.
Discover the underwater world of the Great Barrier Reef when we fly you down under to Australia! We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Cairns, where you will travel down under as you spend 6 nights at the fabulous Hilton International in Cairns, Australia, located at the gateway of the Great Barrier Reef. A friendly and relaxed atmosphere for your comfort and pleasure, furnished by Hilton International Hotel. Alex.
Great vacation indeed, Gene. Thank you. Let's show our 2 newcomers, Carrie and Waylon, where the Down Under in Australia vacation can be found. It's Down Under at position 25. Just 1 wild card in this game, folks, but we have the bonus seconds, and the cash pot, which has not been won in a while, is now up to $1,100. Waylon, you go first.
Australia sounds just wonderful. I think I'll go with number 12,
Washer and dryer.
and I'll go for the match with that under number 20.
VCR, no match. Carrie?
Okay, let's look under number 8, please.
Cash pot.
Oh, I could use that. Let's see. How about number 17 for the match?
Gold cufflinks. Waylon, you mentioned a few moments ago your mother is in the audience. If you were to win the holiday in Australia, who would you take to Australia with you?
No girlfriend, so maybe mom.
Maybe mom. Oh, all right. Pick again.
Let's go with number 2
Living room ensemble.
and number 22.
Cash pot, no match. Carrie?
Okay, how about the cash pot under number 8?
Yes.
And number 22 for the match.
Looking at $1,100 there, Carrie.
Hey.
Buy a lot of lovely dresses for those two little girls of
Oh,
yours.
definitely.
3 or 4 dresses for $1,100 now, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, I know it's expensive. Let's take a look. Go again, Carrie.
Okay, number 14, please.
Body massager.
Oh, what's his name?
Luke.
Number 20 for the match, please.
VCR, no match. Carrie's fast, isn't she? Boy, you got to watch yourself on this kind of a show.
Okay, let's go up in the corner with number 5.
Red tape.
We haven't seen that, so we'll try for match under number 11.
Red tape. Red tape. Now, you can use it now or save it, keeping in mind...
Cash, cash, cash.
Remember, this is a young man who's here. He's waiting on tables, paying his way through school partially, I'm sure. And so he needs the cash. Mostly, he says, all right, give him the cash. Open the 2 panels. Select again.
Let's go with number 3.
5 bonus car seconds.
Good, good. I could really use those. Number 18 for the match.
Green take, no match. Carrie.
Okay, how about number 23, please?
Car wash weekly for a year.
Oh, I could use that in the dusty Nevada. Let's see. How about number 16?
Gold cufflinks, no match.
I
Waylon.
think we saw the gold cufflinks at 17.
Yes.
And 16 for the match.
16 and 17 works. I didn't recall seeing them there, but well done, Waylon. That's why you're here as a contestant. Open it up. Go again.
Okay, let's go number 9, please.
Car wash weekly.
23 for the match.
Car wash weekly. Show him these 2 pieces, please. Select again.
Okay, let's go with number 19.
Washer and dryer.
And I believe that was at number 2.
Nope. Living room ensemble. But we have seen the washer and dryer before, I believe. Carrie?
Is that under number 12?
Yeah.
And number 19 for the match?
There you go.
All right.
So we had seen it. I'm glad my memory is not completely defective. 2 more panels opening for your benefit, Carrie. Try it again.
Okay, how about number 10?
Green take.
Green take. Oh, where did we see that? Number 14?
No, that's the body massager.
Darn.
Luke, remember him? Waylon.
I don't remember where the green take is, so I'm going to try to find something else. Number 15. Diamond earrings. Ooh. Number 6 for the match.
Nope, they're the 5 bonus car seconds. Carrie.
Number 4?
Body massager.
Number 14 for the match.
That's good.
All right.
Take a look. Try it again.
Okay, number 3? And number 6 for the match, please. All
The
right.
bonus
I need
seconds
them.
come in handy for the lady. If she gets back to the winner's circle and has those bonus seconds, she'll have 45 seconds on the clock. Can she solve the puzzle, though? Go again.
Okay, how about number 20? VCR. And have we seen number 7?
Wild card. The only wild card in the game, and it allows you to get a shot at a VCR. The other one on the board is at number 1.
All right.
How important are these 3 pieces of the puzzle? Let's open the panels and see. Go again.
Okay, number 18, please. And number 10 for the match.
Yes.
All right. All
Now,
right.
he's got the cash pot. Australia's still up there. The red take is gone. So if you take something, it cannot be taken away from you. However, I'm pointing out all the possibilities here. If he should come up with Australia, because it's still up there, right? And we're getting close to the end. If he comes up with Australia and you have the green take and you get control of the board, you can take it back. Take it away from him. but you might want to grab the $1,100 in cash right now.
I think I'm going to grab the cash pot.
All right. Get what you can when you can. That's a good motto. Open these two panels for Carrie Wynn. Go again.
Okay, number 21, please. Diamond earrings. And were those under 15? All right.
Yes. Well, now, another chance to solve the puzzle, but Australia's still on the board as one of those two remaining hidden prizes. Open these panels. Go again.
Okay, number 2, please. Living room ensemble. How about number 24 for the match? Oh, shoot!
Waylon.
Number 24, please.
Australia.
And number 25.
Australia. Going up in your column. And we will open those two doors and show you 2 and 13. That's the living room ensemble. And now, Waylon, can you solve this puzzle?
Great day in the morning.
Is it great day in the morning? Yes, it is. How about that? Big win. Come on, Waylon. Well done. I thought Carrie was going to bury you on that one. So did you.
We have a crate here, D plus the hay. We have a hen, and we have out plus the or and in with it, plus the ink, so great day in the morning.
Okay, we have a perfect example right there, ladies and gentlemen, of how important it is to solve the puzzle and not worry about the symbols. You said you were hung up on the out. The arrows are pointing at the thumb. It's great day, hen, thumb, morning. But that's okay. He's the winner. Carrie has just 1 strike, so she'll play again. We'll see you in that game.
Good.
And Waylon, don't go away. You stay right here because we want to hear about the prizes. Gene, tell them.
A car wash weekly for a year, gold cufflinks, and a living room ensemble. Part of Lloyd Flanders' heirloom series designed for use indoors or out. Love seat, lounge chair, and end table, man-made, all-weather wicker furniture pieces furnished by Lloyd Flanders. And, of course, down under in beautiful Australia. And these prices total $7,399.
We're going to take a break. We'll come right back. Thank you, Marjorie. That's exactly what Waylon did. He came in from Denton, Texas. He called. He's here, and he's got a chance to win a car. 15 numbered squares, Waylon. Base time on the clock, 35 seconds. Good luck. That's it. Take a deep breath. Relax. Go for it.
1, 3.
No.
4, 6.
No.
7, 6.
Yes.
9, 10.
Nope.
3, 10.
Yep.
12, 1.
Yep.
13, 5.
Yeah.
2, 14.
No.
9, 14.
Yep.
15, 8.
No.
4, 15.
No.
11, 15.
No.
8, 11.
No.
2, 11. 4.
Waylon, it was a 411. The Le Mans was 411. That's the one you were trying to... Gosh, you looked as if you were in such good shape. Everyone in our audience here, I'm sure, felt, hey, he's going to win this car. Look at it. It's all falling into place. It didn't work, but that's all right. You've got no strikes against you. You've won $7,399 in prizes, including a vacation in Australia, and you get to play again.
Sounds good.
Wasn't it fun, though? We'll take a break right after this word from you.
Some of today's participants may receive Waverly's Time and Again collection, ideal for upholstery, slipcovers, draperies, and bedspreads. This beautiful fabric is fine decorative fabric furnished by Waverly. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
And Waylon are exchanging pet stories, these two Southerners here. Pokey's on camera, folks. Had to get her moments out here. Please join us on our next edition of Concentration, won't you? Have a good day. So long.
Bye.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.